Since my Cake Week signature bake didn't exactly come out like I would have liked, I've been using the Christmas period to have another crack at it. And what did I change? I changed the pan. I bought some new PME, the aluminum pans, and I used a baking nail and cooked it for a bit longer. And look how much better it is. That's so much better. Moist, but not like rubber. I'll take that. No matter what I do with the berries, they just sink to the bottom, but they still taste good. So it's a lot lighter, a lot more evenly cooked, not as rubbery, no kind of wibble wobble this time. Much better.